welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing Rubik Cube Solver with my Rubik's Cube. So it's not really solved yet, so today I will show you how to solve it. So you must download this game called the Cube Solver. Okay? When you download this game, if you have a Rubik's Cube, that's good. If you need help, look at this. So get the Rubik's Cube, okay? And you see Rubik's Cube and the first, you see? Where I'm clicking right now, see my white thingy? That's thing. And we press solve, okay? Now this will pop up. So I will pick this side first. So the side number 8 first is blue. So we put the blue right here. And the second is green. Put the green right here. And the third thing is red. You put this right here. The next, right here. The third thing is yellow for me. Holy shit, what is it? Oh. That. Next thing is up. With a lot of yellows. A lot of them, wow. And a red and an orange. Next thing is with a lot of them, and lot of them. The next thing is here. A lot of white and a red and an orange. You must do this carefully and rightly. And you see the green? Now that means that's completed. You don't need green anymore. Okay, the next thing is blue. Now blue is done. Now the next thing is red. Now red is done. The next thing is orange. Now orange is done. The next thing is white, and that's also done. When that is all done, here you press the solve button. Okay? Solve in 4 moves. For you, it might be even more. Okay? The first thing you have to go, you see, press this button. It'll show you what to do. So it's like that. And you have to make sure it's correct. Let me show you my Rubik's Cube. So the blue, red, and the orange. That means it's correct. And the next thing is that. So press like that. Now there's a lot of red. At the top is done. Okay, the next thing is the bottom with the green. When you press that, you'll see the orange will be done soon. And you press that one more time, and you say done. And when you log out the game, you check it, and it is done fully. Let's try a hard one with a lot of sauce. So let me just do that. How would I do this? That. I can just pause also, so I just do that. Okay, we got a lot even harder. So let's get back in the game. Okay, we're back in the game. Is to see we got even more numbers. So try even the hard one. This is 1 red, 3 orange. Oh my gosh, the fun! Here, let me show you. See? So it's kind of like say the orange first, but for me, it's the red first, okay? Videos are different. Who knows? This is kind of an easy one too, for no reason. I mean, it's not really that easy, but I don't really mind it. It's not easy to solve this easily. Okay, so it's kind of will be hard to like solve this. I mean, it's kind of hard to solve this, and that's kind of really hard to solve this. It's really hard. Not kidding. It's really hard. I mean, we are making for videos for a long time. And by the way, we have a views battle with a new person who has 100 subscribers. We don't care. But that channel name is RMZ. Okay, he got 3,205 freaking views. So we need to beat him really fast. So make this Rubik's Cube video really viral. So we might beat him. Subscribe. I'm focus mode. I'm in focus mode. Wait, what? Oh. That is orange. My bad. Orange is done. Yellow's done. Green done. Okay, that's all it. See, we got 7. Whatever. Okay, here's the Rubik's Cube. Wait, what? I'm a bit confused. Hello? Hello? I got confused with what? I found it. So here's, oh my god. Here's the thing. Okay, so let's go try it out. First, the top. Okay, it looks like this now. The second is that. Did it? What? I'm lost. Hello? I'm lost. This is bad. Where am I going? What the? Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh god, that's hard. Ooh, that's a timer. Okay, we must do this. We need to be fast. Heck nah. Let's go see. Stop acting out. Okay. Everyone got a 2 except red got 3. But white got 4. Okay, every color got a number now. Every single color got a number now. What is at the lead? Actually, and red and blue is a tied. What's the noise? I'm just gonna check the weight. Got back. What has been completed? What has been completed? What has been completed? Beep beep beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 P, 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 P. 6. Oh heck yeah. Ha. What the? What? Wait. Let's go with this. Yeah. Okay. And a yaya. I'm so confused. Where were we? What the? Okay, wait. This is boat. Oh gosh. Again. Okay, for now I'm gonna pause. Yeah, when I'm done. Whoa, 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 whoa. The camera is off. They cannot see me. The camera is off. They cannot see. The camera is off. They cannot see me. Heck yeah, let's go. Oh, freaking yeah. Oh, wait, the camera's on. Oh, frick da! Oh, yeah. Let's go, freaking oh, let's go, oh, no. Everything else goes, everything else is almost done. Everything else is almost done. What is done? Let us all done. Where it's done? Oh. It is not done. It is not done. It is not done. Where is the done? Where is the done? Now is the rest is also done. Everything is done. My friend is on task. Let's go set the timer. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Oh, oh, oh. No. Oh, oh, oh. No. Oh, 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 oh. No. Oh, 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 oh. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. What's everything up? Everything is up. What is this? Beep, 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 beep. Us four. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, let's go, go, go. Oh no, previous, let's go. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go, mother, sister, yeah, boy, 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 boy. What is this? Well, I want to show you, so I want to show you one time. Not looking for a while. Will I post a video? Yeah, I will post it. Hey, we got back. It's done. Let's see what 1, go. Is this one? Okay, so white, yellow, orange, red, white, orange. Oh yeah, Bob, let's go, Bob. Yep. Okay, here was the game looks like. What the game says is correct. You think it's wrong for the video, but for me it's correct. Okay, next thing is what? Oh, I make that mistake. There's an orange. This plastic. You. Lolo. Blue, orange, green. White versus green. Who cares? Yeah. Ta. Knox. Papa. Hoopla. Wee. Stupid Rubik's Cube. And there's this. That. A dot. It worked! Let's go! You don't need to see. You already saw it, so it works. Let's go. So that's all you need to do, like that. Yes. Yeah, that was correct. Wow, let's go 6, everything. What does he look like? Okay, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.